Hey, guess what? Google has just blown our minds once again with their awesome AI project called IDX. This incredible development environment is changing the game when it comes to app development. It's all browser-based and uses AI to revolutionize how we create, handle, and launch web as well as mobile applications. Isn't that exciting? Man, technology is constantly changing, and AI has been all the rage lately. And you know what? Every little update or news about AI gets people hyped up. Okay, so let's talk about IDX. What is it and why is it so important? We're here to answer all the queries one by one. According to Google, IDX is a cloud-based integrated development environment, IDE, that seamlessly integrates with popular frameworks and languages. It provides developers with a versatile platform for full-stack multi-platform app development. The key feature of IDX is its cutting-edge AI model called Cody, which completely transforms the way we interact with code. To put it simply, IDX aims to make app development effortless. Google describes it as a web-based workspace that feels familiar yet fresh for coding. And this is just the beginning of the journey for Project IDX. They value your input as they strive to make application development even better. So you might be wondering, what the heck is Cody? Well, let us tell you. Cody is like the big kahuna of this project by Google. It's an AI model that's been trained on code and supercharged with Google's fancy advanced large language model, PaLM 2. Picture this, you're a pilot and Cody is your trusty co-pilot. Still not getting it? Alright, here's the deal. As a developer, Cody is gonna be your sidekick when it comes to creating apps and coding. It takes your coding game to a whole new level with its rad set of features that totally redefine efficiency and precision. Pretty cool stuff, huh? Let's go through some of the features Cody will be having on its release. Cody's intelligent code completion feature is like having a coding assistant that predicts your next move. This means while coding, Cody will always be suggesting the next lines of your code and is known as smart code generation. Yes, that's right. All you have to do is ask Cody to change a sentence into code in plain human language, and it will change it to beautiful code. This remarkable ability to transform human language and generate code helps in reducing manual labor and potential errors. Stuck on some coding? Ask Cody. It offers step-by-step guidance on what to do, just like chatting with someone, and hence it is termed code chat. Another crucial feature is contextual code actions. Cody will always be on the lookout for improvement and suggest you on how to improve the code. So what makes Cody so smart? How does Cody do it? Well, let us tell you about PaLM 2. It's Google's solution to that question. This amazing creation combines human language with coding, creating a powerful combination that can assist developers all over the world. PaLM 2 has been trained on a vast amount of linguistic and coding data, which gives it the ability to understand and generate code effortlessly. And here's the best part. IDX is not just for expert or intermediate developers. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, IDX has got you covered. With interactive tutorials and real-world examples, IDX helps nurture your growth as a developer. It tailors its responses to your skill level, providing personalized answers, feedback, and suggestions. And that's not all. This initiative isn't just limited to web-based development environments. It also supports popular frameworks like Flutter, Next.js, Angular, and more. So get ready to experience the power of Cody and PaLM 2. They're here to make your life as a developer easier and more enjoyable. But here's the thing. Reports are saying something different. They're saying that initially, it's going to support JavaScript and Dart, but down the line, they're planning on adding more languages like Python and Go. So basically, the IDX is going to be a tool that you can use right in your browser. And here's the cool part. You'll be able to seamlessly switch between devices and still have access to all your work. How? Well, it's all thanks to Google Cloud. Just like how you can use Google Docs on any device, you'll be able to use Project IDX too. Google has always been about making things accessible across platforms, and with this new project, they're taking it a step further. They'll even have an Android emulator and an embedded iOS simulator. That means developers can create applications for smartphones, desktops, and the web with ease. It's all about making cross-platform development easier than ever before, and with Project IDX, Google is definitely on track to achieve that goal. So get ready, folks, because creating apps for all your devices is about to become a breeze. Project IDX has this really cool thing where it seamlessly integrates with Google Cloud and Firebase that makes it super easy for developers to manage their applications. But wait, where did Google actually create IDX? Well, they built it on a platform called Visual Studio Code, also known as VS Code. It's a really streamlined code editor with all sorts of helpful features like debugging and version control. And get this, it was introduced by Microsoft in 2015 and quickly became a favorite among developers worldwide. So of course, Google had to go with the best option out there. Now, you might be wondering how Project IDX compares to Microsoft's tools for development. Since VS Code is from Microsoft, Google's biggest competitor, they wanted to make sure that Project IDX stood out. That's why they added some unique features to give it that special Google touch. It's pretty exciting to see these tech giants collaborating and bringing us even better products. But let's not forget that other companies are also working on similar products. While Google takes a more broad approach, Microsoft is known for being strategic. It looks like both companies will have to put aside their differences for the future. When comparing Project IDX to its competitors, there are a few key players in the market: Copilot and Code Whisperer. While they do share some similarities with Project IDX, each platform has its own unique features. For example, Amazon offers Code Whisperer, a cloud-based tool that utilizes machine learning and large language models to simplify developers' lives and enhance productivity. On the other hand, GitHub presents Copilot, an AI tool designed to assist users of various integrated development environments by providing code auto-completion. However, Google distinguishes itself from the rest by offering a more versatile and comprehensive solution called Cody. In comparison to both Copilot and Code Whisperer, Cody shines in terms of functionality. So what makes Project IDX stand out from its competitors? Well, it can be considered as the all-rounder of the AI realm. It is compatible with various platforms, including web and mobile app development, while also supporting a wide range of programming languages and frameworks. Enthusiasts of Python, Go, Ruby, Swift, Kotlin, and many more can rejoice as IDX continually expands its language support options. So, you know how we said IDX is like an all-rounder? Well, other competitions have their specialities too, you know? Like Copilot is great for code completion in Visual Studio Code. It's really good at suggesting code, but it doesn't have the versatility of IDX when it comes to web and mobile app development. And then there's Code Whisperer, which focuses on code generation and AWS integration. But compared to IDX, it's kind of limited in what it can do. But let me tell you, ever since Project IDX was launched in August this year, the developer community has been going wild. They're super excited about it. They've been giving their initial reviews, and they love how user-friendly and fast IDX is. The interaction between developers and Google's dedication to making it perfect is like a dream come true. Sure, there were some bugs in the beginning that had to be fixed. Some developers found that Cody's suggestions weren't always up to par or consistent. But don't worry, Google isn't going to give up on improving it. They're going to keep refining it until it's absolutely top-notch. So what's next for Project IDX? Well, let me tell you, Google has big plans for it. They want to expand its vision beyond anything we've seen before. They're looking into broader language support, more cloud service options, and compatibility with different IDEs and editors. And get this, they're even discussing exciting stuff like code refactoring, testing, debugging, and advanced AI model integrations. Can you imagine how awesome that would be? So yeah, the future of Project IDX looks pretty darn bright if you ask me. To wrap things up, Google is really excited about this project and they have big plans for it. They're focused on solving complex problems, and they want to hear from users and developers to guide their direction. But Google's Project IDX is more than just a tool. It's a game changer. It combines AI and app development in a way that has revolutionized how we code, learn, and create. With IDX, you're not just building applications, you're unlocking boundless possibilities with the power of AI. And as Google continues to work on Project IDX, it's going to revolutionize app development by making it easier and more efficient than ever before. So what's next for IDX? Will its competitors be able to keep up? We want to know your thoughts. Leave us a comment below because we genuinely value your opinion. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. We can't wait to continue our talks with you in the future.